Sikul ma St. Joseph Nyang'oma ochako chenro mar pidho yiende milion 1 e bwo thuolo mar dweche 6 mabiro. Chenro ma kamano wachore ni biro konyo e bero alwora e gwengego kaachiel gi bero chal mar kor lwasi. Kaluwore gi chenrono, oriwo koda ka jopuonjre kod jodak ma alwora mar sikulno kendo gigeto medo chiwo puonj ne oganda mopogore opogore e wi ber mar rito alwora.
Our forest cover is so low, and we have to combine efforts to improve it. And so we will work with all organizations. There's an organization that has promised 3 million shillings. We will work with the community leaders, and we will also work with the Kenya Forest to make sure that we have seedlings, to make sure that we improve some of the forest cover, and especially fruit trees through agroforestry. I cannot live without telling you about the social health insurance. Hapa Siaya, idadi yenyu ambao wameingia social health insurance, ile tunaita SHA, is only 45%. Nataka kila mtu hii county aende ajiandikishe kwa social health authority.
Tujaribu juu chini taji ya kusema ya kwamba we are one of the least counties with the least number of trees. Yeah, therefore, it can be a thing of the past if we all work together, and it is possible.